Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if Windows File Explorer is not starting or opening up properly at startup. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung registry editor and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. If you receive user account control, and then i-click mo lang dito yung yes. So dito sa registry editor, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung HK local machines. So double click ka lang. And then dito sa HK local machines, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung software. So double click ulit dito. And dito sa software, ang next step ay locate mo lang dito yung Microsoft, okay? So dito sa Microsoft, double click ulit. And dito sa Microsoft, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung Windows NT. So kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down at select lang natin dito yung Windows NT. So double click ulit dito. And dito sa Windows NT, and then select mo lang dito yung current versions. So double click ulit. And dito sa current versions, ang next step ay, so kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung WinLogon, okay? So dito sa WinLogon, so one time click mo lang siya. And dito sa right side, makikita mo dito yung kanyang settings. And next step, so kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung shell. Ito siya, okay? So i-click mo lang yan, and then kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And pop up itong kanyang edit string, okay? So, check mo lang yung value name, dapat shell. And then dito sa kanyang value data, dapat nakalagay dito ay explorer.exe. And next step, i-click mo lang dito yung OK. And then, next solution na pwede natin gawin. So, close lang natin tong registry editor. And then, dito lang ulit sa search menu. And then, dito lang sa search for app. So, type mo lang dito yung CMD. Or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-type dito or enter natin yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word yan, and then press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification phase of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. And next step, so close lang natin tong CMD. At dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so i-click mo lang dito yung restart. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Explorer.exe not starting in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.